What you got? Oh, there's your is that your mud cake? That's your mud cake. Yeah, that's your cake. Do you wanna put your? Let me put your hands first. Your clothes. Come here. Yeah, but then your hands is kind of dirty. So all good now. Okay. Yeah, before you do that. Oh, I'll go get my chair. Okay. There. Oh, look at that. There's a grass already coming in. Oh, so I can watch you. Oh, bigger na si Jilana. Ay, it's wet. A little bit wet. What's that? Whoa. You have to use your thingy. Okay, give me your coat. Are you not cold? You're not cold? You're not cold? Mommy cold. Ay, hi guys. Grabe pagod. Pagod sa traveling, pagod sa biyahe. Yep. So, dami pang trabaho guys. Kaya lang. Oh wow. Tada. Oh, is there a plane? I hear a plane. There's a plane. Oo nga, kulimlim. Katatapos lang ng ulan. Kaya ngayon lang kami lumabas. Pero syempre, dito sa Pilipinas. Oh wow. Hello, hello. Hi, hi. Ayan. Oo. Pero kailangan natin ng ulan para sa mga halaman, no? 'Di ba? Kailangan ng ulan. Is that your cake? Do you wanna do this one, Jana? It's bigger. No? Okay. Oh, there's water there. Grabe yung kanina, no? Parang ang daming, oh, oh, again, again. Again, again. Get, get, get. Ah, be careful, slow. Oo. Dami mo na naman baon na, Maricar. Ayan, ang dami mong angels dyan na Marical. Mga angels mo yan. Laging active mga angels mo. Hello, Isa. The bird is talking to you? Is it talking to you? What they say? Oh. Hello, Shalane. Are you playing Mad Cake? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa.